what is Starfish? So Starfish is our data migration tool. These data migration tools in this space are often described as ETL, and that acronym really stands for three things. It's the extraction of the data. The E is that then we can transform the data during the migration, and then ultimately we load the data into whatever the destination system is. So ultimately it's a tool that sits between two systems and moves the data from one system or copies the data from one system into the other system. Often we see that this tool is very commonly used in a situation where somebody's migrating from one CRM system to another. So an example of that would be if you're in Salesforce and you're migrating to Sugar CRM or vice versa, something like Microsoft Dynamics CRM to Info CRM. That's typically where this tool would be used. It's also used for integration, so the migration being the one-way moving of data, the integration being that we want to connect our two systems together and have them talk to each other on a scheduled basis. An example of that would be where we have our CRM system and we have our accounting system, and what we want to have in CRM for the sales guys is some knowledge of information that's in the accounting system, so we would integrate that data into the CRM system, and that would all be done using Starfish. Another example of that would be QuickBooks and CRM. So where can I use Starfish? So if your CRM system is on your network, is on-premise, you can install Starfish somewhere on your network, so we have line of sight to the database. If the database is in the cloud or your CRM system is in the cloud, and you don't need to install Starfish in your network to get the data, well then Starfish will also be in the cloud. So really the question of where it can be used is, the real answer is it can be used exactly where you need it to be used, whether that's on-premise on your own network, or whether you just really don't want to see the software on your network and it's run through the cloud. Either of those scenarios is where Starfish comes in. So why should you consider Starfish over the other ETL products that are out there? And I think the thing really that stands out here is the ease of use. What you often find with other ETL tools is that there is a requirement to become certified in order to get any kind of support or ask any questions related to the migration of data. We don't have that requirement, and the reason we can do that is because, as I said, the tool is very simple and easy to use. We do have an expert support team, technical and business, that will help you with any questions that you do have. All the connectors that you see in, or that you saw today in Starfish, they are all free. You don't pay anything extra for any connectors that we have. And in fact, we're always developing new connectors as new systems appear on the market. We build connectors and we make those available for free as well. We also have a lot of free pre-built maps. So if you're migrating from Microsoft CRM to Salesforce, you don't have to go through the process of figuring out where all the data is and creating a map for each table and all of that. What we do is we give you a pre-built map, and that will be a baseline map that has all the common fields that we would see in kind of a vanilla CRM. And so then the task for you is that you would just put in those custom fields and any business logic in the rules that you set for those fields. Pretty flexible pricing model with Starfish that we'll look at, and anytime there's an update available, it's free. So you will get all the latest. You'll always have the latest version. As I say, those updates are always free of charge.
For more information, please visit www.starfishetl.com or email us at info@starfishetl.com.